Oh yeah, my shirt says community college. I don't go to community college, but I thought it was catchy. So today, you guys, I'm going to show you guys how to blend natural hair with extensions and weave. I use the same method every time I put my U-part wig in or sew my U-part wig in. So I'm just going to show you guys what I do. I do the chase method, meaning that when I'm flat ironing it, I have a comb in front of the flat iron, pressing it down. So the product that I use when doing this is argan oil of Morocco, but it's really good. It's really expensive. It's like almost $8 a bottle, but if you go to Walmart, I believe you can get it cheaper. I think I got it for $5 to $6 at Walmart before, so that's just a heads up. Make sure you look at Walmart before you purchase from anywhere else. I don't know how much it is online, but it's worth it. This is the only thing I use when I blend my leave out in. So let's get started. I'm just gonna start off by kind of pushing all my hair to one side. And then all I do is kind of just take a part of the hair and then push that to the other side. You can clip this side down, but you don't want it to get in the way. So I'm just gonna clip this side down. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna add a drop of argan oil to this hair. Not too much, literally like just a little bit. That is it, that is all, because it can be greasy really fast. Now I'm just gonna put my comb in my hair. And what you're gonna do is the chase method. So you're gonna put the comb right there. You're gonna take your flat iron. I'm using Conair's 1.5-inch flat iron. This is really good. It's really small, but it's worth it. Oh, it's Infinity Pro Conair, that's the flat iron. I've been using this for a little over, I wanna say 2 years now. It's really worth it. I think it's like $25 to $30. This is the only flat iron I use for my hair. So all I'm gonna do is just use the chase method. Make sure that comb is still in there. I'm just gonna go all the way down. And you can kind of like go over it again with the flat iron. I try not to put too much heat on my hair, but it's kind of unavoidable when you're trying to blend your leave out in. So that's pretty much what I do and continue to do. I'm just gonna unclip this, grab another piece, put a drop on the other piece, put another drop on the piece. I'm gonna do the chase method again. And you just kind of repeat those same steps to make sure that your hair is as flat as possible. So I'm kind of just quickly just gonna put my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfect Edges on those really quickly. That's how I blend my leave out. If you have any more questions or comments or concerns, please feel free to DM me on Instagram at Clare Abrianna or head to my website www.clareabrianna.com. And I hope y'all have a fantastic day. Bye.